Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the detailed answer key of the phase 1 paper 2 of IFSC Grade A 2025 examination. So as you know कि यहाँ पे अभी आपका IFSC का phase 1 examination हुआ है. So all the 50 questions of paper 2 will be discussed in this particular session along with the answer. ठीक है, और उसके हिसाब से हम एग्जाम एनालिसिस भी करेंगे कि कैसा था एग्जाम, यहाँ पे डिफिकल्ट था या इजी था या मॉडरेट था. दिस वी विल ऑल्सो डिस्कस इन दिस पर्टिकुलर सेशन. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द डिस्कशन गाइज. सो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन HRD इंटरवेंशन. Options are training and development, establishing organizational structures, career development programs, employee counseling, performance management systems. What is the right answer? Option number B is the right answer here, that is establishing organizational structure. Guys, अब यहाँ पे memory based question है. You know very well कि यहाँ पे memory based exam हुआ था आपका ये. तो हो सकता है कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे हों जो एग्जैक्टली आपको सेम ना लगे. उसके लिए प्लीज डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट बॉक्स, क्योंकि हमने भी कंपाइल किया स्टूडेंट्स की हेल्प से. ठीक है, वैसे मोस्ट ऑफ द चीज़ें आपको एक्यूरेट मिलेंगी, बट अगर वहां पर कहीं पर भी आपको लगता है कि ये क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछे गए थे या ये ऑप्शंस नहीं थे, डू लेट अस नो इन द चैट बॉक्स. ठीक है जी. सो राइट आंसर इज बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट part of the Kurt-Lewin theory. Options are demographic leadership, autocratic leadership, bureaucratic leadership, participative leadership और transformational leadership. फ्रेंड्स, आपको पार्टिसिपेट भी करते हुए चलना साथ साथ में, और आप ये भी देख सकते हैं कि आपने सही मार्क किया था एग्जाम में या नहीं. सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, दैट इज ब्यूरोक्रेटिक लीडरशिप. Question number third is which of the following is correct on morale as per Vroom's expectancy theory. Options are employee morale increases when they see a lack of connection between effort, performance and outcome. Employee morale increases when they see a clear connection between effort, performance and outcome. Employee morale decreases when there is a clear connection between effort, performance and outcome. Employee morale remains unaffected by effort and performance connection, or employee morale decreases when they see a lack of connection between effort, performance and outcome. What is the right answer here? Yes, right answer is option number B. Option number B is the right answer. ठीक है, साथ साथ में you all have to participate in the session itself. Question number fourth is according to Peter Drucker, the primary role of a leader is to, options are control and command all decisions within the organization, help achieve common goals, focus solely on achieving profits of the organization, dictate the organization's vision and goals, restrict movement to maintain stability. What is the right answer, guys? Right answer is option number B. Yes, Guru Prasad Sordis, you all have given the right answer. Option number B is the right answer here. Question number 5 is the primary objective of the Kuntz and O'Donnell planning function is to, options are set long-term organizational goals, scanning the environment, allocate resources effectively, evaluate organizational performance or increase profit margins. प्लीज डू मेंशन द क्वेश्चन नंबर एज वेल गाइस. क्वेश्चन नंबर मेंशन करेंगे तो ज्यादा क्लैरिटी रहेगी मुझे भी. ठीक है, राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी हियर. Question number 6 is when a country increases its money supply, how will it affect the LM curve and the overall equilibrium in the ISLM framework? Options are the LM curve shifts leftward, increasing interest rates and decreasing income. The LM curve shifts rightward, decreasing interest rates and increasing income. The LM curve shift leftward, decreasing interest rates and increasing income. The LM curve remain unchanged with no impact on interest rates or income. The LM curve shifts rightward, increasing interest rates and decreasing income. What is the right answer here? So right answer is option number B here. ठीक है जी. Question number 7 is national income calculated on current prices is known as real income, nominal income, gross income, adjusted income, disposable income. So right answer is option number B, that is nominal income. Guys, यहाँ पे हम क्वेश्चन डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे. मैं यहाँ पर बस आपके लिए सेशन इसलिए लेकर आऊँ ताकि आपको ये पता चले आपने कहाँ कहाँ कौन कौन से क्वेश्चन सही मार्क किए थे, कौन कौन से आपसे गलत हो गए हैं. डिटेल डिस्कशन नहीं होगा इस सेशन में. ठीक है जी. Question number 8 is a payment bank differs from a traditional bank in that its options are it can lend money but cannot accept deposits, it can accept deposits but cannot lend money beyond a limit, can offer all banking services including loans and investment, can only accept deposits from individuals not from businesses, can offer credit cards but not debit cards. So right answer is option number B here, that is can accept deposit but cannot lend money beyond a limit. Question number 9, as per the World Bank Poverty Brief Report, which of the following is our correct? Extreme poverty rate in India is at 2.3% and poverty decreased in rural areas and increased in the urban areas. Employment growth has outpaced the expansion of the working age population since 2021-22. So options are correct. कौन सा option है? First and third, second and third, first first and second or third only is correct. So right answer is option number A, that is first and third are correct. Question number 10th is which of the following statement about the e-Shram portal is our correct? Options are statements are: it focuses on financial inclusion by providing access to social security and government schemes. It allows workers to register their skills and access relevant training programs. It provides a platform for job search connecting workers with employment opportunities. Options are first and second only, first and third only, second and third only, first, second and third only, or none of the above. So right answer is option number D, that is none of the, sorry, first, second and third, that is all of the above. Question number 11th, what is the multiplier effect if the marginal propensity to consume is 0.75? Options are 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So what is the right answer? Right answer is option number C here, that is 4. 4 will be the multiplier effect here. Got it? Question number 12, as per the ESOP, that is employee stock ownership plan, which method should be used for valuation? Options are historical cost, market value, book value, future value, nominal value. What is the right answer here? Please do mention the question number as well, guys. Right answer is option number B, that is market value. Question number 13, in the foreign exchange accounting standard, profit or loss arising from foreign currency transactions is transferred to which account? Options are profit and loss account, reserves and surplus, revaluation account, shareholders equity, or other comprehensive income. So right answer is option number B, that is reserve and surplus. Question number 14th is as per AS2, how is the valuation of inventory done when the cost is 1500, the selling price is 2500 and the estimated expenses to sales is rupees 1000 with a 4% sales commission? Options are 1000, 1200, 1400, 1500 or 1600. Do not worry, Guru. If you feel that there is mistake in the answer, there is a mistake in the options, there is a mistake in the questions, just do let us know in the comment box. Don't worry, ठीक है. Here we are not doing discussion. मैं बस आपको आंसर्स बता रहा हूँ. यहाँ पर कुछ मिस्टेक्स हमारे साइड से होंगे क्योंकि ये कंपाइल किए गए हैं स्टूडेंट्स से डिस्कशन करके. दिस इज अ मेमोरी बेस्ड एग्जामिनेशन, ठीक है, बट मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर करेक्ट, राइट. सो डोंट वरी, ठीक है. यहाँ पे जो भी आपको लगता है किसी क्वेश्चन में, आंसर में या ऑप्शंस में इश्यू, जस्ट डू लेट अस नो, ठीक है जी. Right. So right answer is option number C, that is 1400. Question number 15th is in the International Monetary Fund, the voting power of each member country is determined based on which of the following: economic growth rate, population size, financial contribution, political influence or military strength. So right answer is option number C, that is financial contribution. Question number 16th, which of the following is not listed as a goal under the Sustainable Development Goals? Options are life below water, quality education, good health and well-being, clean water and sanitation, or all of the above are listed as a goals of Sustainable Development Goals. So right answer is option number E only, that is all of the above are listed as a goal of SDG. Question number 17, which of the following does not form part of a deferred tax asset or liability? Options are depreciation differences, carry forward tax losses, penalties and fines, tax credits or prepaid taxes. So we have discussed it, Guru Prasad, it is a market value only, right? हमने discuss भी किया इसको class में, so that is the right answer I told you. So right answer is option number C, that is penalties and fines. Question number 18th is which ratio shows the relationship between interest bearing debt and equity capital? Options are debt to equity ratio, capital gearing ratio, return on equity ratio, current ratio or quick ratio. So right answer is option number B here, that is capital gearing ratio. Question number 19, which of the following is most suited to calculate profitability on owner's equity? Options are return on assets, return on equity ratio, profitability ratio, gross profit margin or operating profit margin. Tell me. Right answer is option number B, that is return on equity ratio. Question number 20th is what is the purpose of a fund flow statement? Options are to determine the cash position of a company, to analyze the working capital position of a company, to predict future cash flows, to calculate the profitability of the company, to evaluate the company's debt management. So right answer is option number B, that is to analyze the working capital of the company. Question number 21. In order to mitigate the risk in the market, which of the following is used? Options are hedging, arbitrage, speculation, diversification और leverage. इनमें से कौन सा यूज किया जाता है मार्केट में रिस्क को मिटिगेट करने के लिए? सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, दैट इज हेजिंग. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. Question number 22. Which of the following monitors the IMPS, that is Immediate Payment Service? Options are Reserve Bank of India, NPCI, SEBI, Ministry of Finance or Indian Bank Association. Right answer is option number B, that is NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India. Question number 23. Which of the following is the process in which the production and purchase of material happens as and when required or demand arises? Options are just in time, material requirement planning, economic order quantity, batch production or lean production. So right answer is option number A, that is just in time. Question number 24. Under which of the following systems, instead of recording every time materials are used to production, the company waits until finished goods are produced? Options are back flush accounting, process costing, job order costing, standard costing or activity based costing. So right answer is option number A, that is back flush accounting. Question number 25. What does the D stand for in DMAIC? Options are develop, define, deliver, design or detect. So right answer will be option number B, that is define. Question number 26. What is the definition of cost analysis? So right answer is, options are an evaluation of a company's revenues to assess its profitability, a process to analyze the expenses and investments required to produce goods or services, an assessment of future revenue generation from an investment project, a method for determining the break-even point in production, a review of the company's financial statements to identify inefficiencies. What is the right answer? Right answer is option number B, that is a process to analyze the expenses and investments required to produce goods or services. Question number 27. Which method is most suitable for bakery producing biscuits in large numbers? Options are batch costing, job costing, process costing, contract costing or activity costing, activity based costing. What is the right answer? Right answer is option number A here, that is batch costing. Question number 28 is, in which of the following cases is job costing most suitable? Options are where work is undertaken for standard mass production, where work is undertaken to meet customer specific requirements, where the production is continuous, where products are identical and produced in large quantities, or where all costs are incurred in a general way. What is the right answer, guys? So right answer is option number B here, that is the where work is undertaken to meet customer specific requirements. Question number 29. From which of the following does derivative derive its value? Options are the performance of the underlying asset, the performance of overall market, the interest rate on the underlying bond, the company's historical performance, or the performance of a government entity. So right answer is option number A, that is the performance of the underlying asset. Question number 30th is, for strategic planning, forecasting and consolidated performance analysis using dashboards and reports, which tool is typically used? Options are ERP, CRM, SCM, business intelligence or DSS. So right answer is option number A, that is ERP. Question number 31. The aggregate demand curve is horizontal summation of all individual demand curves. That means it is upward sloping, downward sloping, represent the total demand at a given price level, represent the total supply at a given price level, or has no relationship with price levels. So what is the right answer? C is the right answer, that is represents the total demand at a given price level. Question number 32. The primary purpose of open market operations conducted by RBI is to, options are increase or decrease liquidity and influence money supply, control inflation directly, monitor foreign exchange reserves, सेट द इंटरेस्ट रेट्स फॉर लोन्स, प्रोवाइड लोन्स टू कमर्शियल बैंक्स. गाइज आंसर देखकर आंसर नहीं करना, जो आपने एग्जाम में आंसर किया होगा ना एक बार वो क्रॉस चेक करिएगा, ठीक है जी. आपको जो लगता है यहाँ पर हो सकता है कुछ यहाँ पे मिस्टेक्स हो, ठीक है. अभी हम डिस्कस नहीं कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू द आंसर्स. यहाँ पर हम आपको आंसर्स बता रहे हैं, ठीक है. डिटेल डिस्कशन नहीं कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, ताकि आपको ये आइडिया लग सके कौन कौन से क्वेश्चंस आपने करेक्ट या इनकरेक्ट अटेम्प्ट किए एग्जाम में. सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, that is increase or decrease liquidity and influence money supply. Question number 33 is, what is the primary purpose of an audit committee? Options are to create policies for employee welfare, to oversee the financial reporting process and disclosures, to ensure the company's profitability, to manage the company's human resources, to make operational decision for the company. What is the right answer? Option number B, to oversee the financial reporting process and disclosures. Question number 34th is which of the following factors affect corporate governance? Options are internal policies only, external factors such as regulations, market conditions, and legal environment, only the company's management decisions, exclusively shareholder interest, or none of the above. What is the right answer, guys? B is the right answer. That is external factors such as market conditions and legal environment. ठीक है जी. Question number 35. As per the RBI's revised guideline effective from October 2025, the changes introduced in the check truncation system, that is CTS, will lead to a transition from, options are batch-based clearing to continuous clearing and settlement on realization, real-time payment settlement to delayed settlements, paper-based to fully digital payments, automatic clearing to manual processing, or all checks being processed through RBI's central system. So right answer will be option number A, that is batch based clearing to continuous clearing and settlement on realization. Question number 36 is both BPR, that is business process re-engineering, and PI, that is process innovation, were introduced in 1999. Process innovation focuses on the renovation of processes, while BPR focuses on which of the following? Automating business processes, amending business processes, eliminating all processes, increasing workforce efficiency, or reducing operational costs. Right answer is option number B, that is amending business processes. Question number 37. Which of the following channels can be used to handle ambiguous managerial problems? Options are email correspondence, face-to-face meetings, teleconferencing, automated software systems, or online chat problems. So right answer is option number B, that is face-to-face meetings. Question number 38. In order to mitigate the interest rate risk, which of the following is used? Options are swap, futures, options, hedging, or arbitrage. So right answer is option number A, that is swap contracts are used to mitigate the interest rate risk. Question number 39. In the Keynesian model, the key implication of the paradox of a thrift is that options are an increase in savings lead to an increase in aggregate demand, an increase in savings lead to a decrease in aggregate demand, which further leads to a decrease in national income, an increase in savings lead to no change in national income, an increase in savings lead to a balanced increase in both aggregate demand and national income, an increase in savings will increase investment without affecting national income. So right answer is option number B, that is an increase in savings lead to a decrease in aggregate demand, which further lead to decrease in national income. Question number 40th is which schemes was introduced in 2014 to boost financial inclusion? Options are Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, Mudra Yojana, or Jan Shri Bima Yojana. So right answer is option number A here, that is Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. ठीक है. Question number 41. The primary role of the project sponsoring authority in a public-private partnership project is to, options are provide funding grants, oversee the day-to-day operations, ensure financial transparency and monitoring, define the legal framework of the partnership, or manage human resource allocation. What is the right answer? Option number A is the right answer, that is provide funding grants. Okay, this is the right answer, provide funding grants. Question number 42. Instruments will be categorized as cash and cash equivalents when the maturity is up to 3 months, up to 1 year, up to 5 years, less than 1 month, or less than 6 months. So right answer is option number A, that is up to 3 months. Question number 43. The United Nations Secretary General hosted the first biennial summit for sustainable, inclusive, and resilient global economy. In which city was this summit held? Options are Paris, New York, Geneva, Tokyo, or London. So right answer is New York. ठीक है जी. Question number 44 is a working paper on domestic migration was released by the EACPM. What was the title of this paper? Options are Migration and Growth, the impact of migration on rural economies, India's migrant workforce challenges and opportunities, migration trends in India, future outlook, domestic migration in India, analyzing the effects. So right answer is option number C here, that is the India's migrant workforce challenges and opportunities. So this is released by the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister. Question number 45th. The 2025 UNFPA State of World Population Report was recently released. What is the title of this report? Options are the real fertility crisis, global health and population dynamics, population growth and its challenges, the changing demographics of the world, women and population, and integrated approach. So right answer is option number A, that is the real fertility crisis. Question number 46. According to the Gender Snapshot 2014, closing the gender digital divide could add an additional filling the blanks to the global economy by 2030. Options are 500 US billion dollars, 1 trillion US billion dollars, 1.5 trillion US billion US dollars, 2 trillion US dollars, or 3 trillion US dollars. Right answer is option number C, that is 1.5 trillion US dollars. Question number 47. According to the UN report, when is India's population expected to reach its peak? Options are 2030s, 2040s, 2050s, 2060s, or 2070s. Right answer is option number D, that is 2060s में ये peak पर जाएगी. 48th is interest paid on advance tax paid before the due date is what rate? 0.25%, 0.5%, 1%, 1.5%, or 2%. So right answer is option number B here, that is 0.5%. Question number 49th. Which organization releases the population prospects report? Options are UNFPA, WHO, UNDSA, UNICEF, or World Bank. So right answer is option number C, that is United Nations Department of Economic and Social Affairs, which is also known as UNDSA. ठीक है. Last question is according to the RBI's latest figures, India's Financial Inclusion Index (FI) index for the year ending March 2025 has changed to, options are 55, 60, 67, 72, or 80. So right answer is option number C, that is 67. सो गाइज ये थे सारे 50 क्वेश्चन जो आपके एग्जाम में आए थे. अब आपको लग रहा है कुछ क्वेश्चन में इशू है, कहीं आंसर गलत है या कुछ ऑप्शंस गलत हैं, प्लीज डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. चैट बॉक्स में नहीं, कमेंट बॉक्स में आप हमें बताइए. यहाँ पर विल डेफिनेटली टेक केयर ऑफ दिस. ठीक है जी, इसको हम एक बार गो थ्रू करें बिकॉज दीज आर द क्वेश्चंस दैट वी हैव कंपाइल्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स दोज हु हैव अपीयर्ड इन द फेज वन ऑफ द examination. Meanwhile guys, an important announcement, you know very well कि यहाँ पे multiple examination have been notified. SEBI भी यहाँ पे advance intimation आ चुका है, तो आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप उसकी प्रिपरेशन भी करें. एंड दैट इज वाई ऑन द ओकेजन ऑफ दिवाली वी हैव कम अप विथ दिस पर्टिकुलर इनिशिएटिव, दैट इज सुपर दिवाली इनिशिएटिव. यहाँ पे एज अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस इनिशिएटिव यू कैन गेट अवर रेगुलेटरी बॉडी एग्जाम सुपर पैक एट जस्ट 7299. क्या है ये सुपर पैक? This is the super pack through which you can prepare for all the examination in a single course. आपको अलग अलग एग्जाम के लिए अलग अलग कोर्स सब्सक्राइब करने की जरूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ और सिर्फ सुपर पैक सब्सक्राइब करिए. वहां पे यू विल गेट आरबीआई, सेबी, नबार्ड, पीएफआरडीए, सिडबी, एनपीएस, इरडाई एक्सेट्रा जो भी रेगुलेटरी बॉडी एग्जाम्स हैं आपको इसका पार्ट मिल जाएंगे. मतलब आपको अलग अलग एग्जाम्स के लिए अलग अलग कोर्स सब्सक्राइब नहीं करना है, सिंगल कोर्स सब्सक्राइब करना है, दैट इज रेगुलेटरी बॉडी एग्जाम सुपर पैक. तो यहां पे दिस ऑफर इज वैलिड टिल 22 ऑफ अक्टूबर ऑन द ओकेजन ऑफ दिवाली. यहां पर ये आपके लिए ऑफर लेकर आए हैं इन विच यू कैन अवेल दिस कोर्स एट जस्ट 7299 विद 6 month ऑफ सब्सक्रिप्शन. बट फॉर दैट यू नीड टू यूज द कोड प्रकाश. आपको इसके लिए कोड यूज करना पड़ेगा प्रकाश, जो कि मेरा नाम है. इसके थ्रू आपको मैक्सिमम डिस्काउंट जो है वो मिल पाएगा. और अगर आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ सेबी ग्रेड का एग्जाम देना चाहते हैं तो आप हमारा क्रैश कोर्स भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, जो हमने ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर लॉन्च कर दिया है. द लिंक ऑफ बोथ ऑफ दैट आपको यहाँ पर जो है डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगी. ठीक है, लिंक आपको यहाँ पर डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगी, वहां पर जाइए, डेमो क्लासेस देखिए, नोट्स देखिए, रीड अबाउट द फैकल्टी एंड देन आफ्टर दैट टेक एन इन्फॉर्म डिसीजन. डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू यूज द कोड प्रकाश, जिसकी हेल्प से आप यहाँ पर मैक्सिमम डिस्काउंट अवेल कर सकते हैं. एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट कि ये जो ऑफर है वो 22 ऑफ अक्टूबर तक ही वैलिड है. यूज द कोड प्रकाश ताकि आप मैक्सिमम डिस्काउंट ले पाएं. एंड साथ ही साथ में डू ज्वाइन माई टेलीग्राम ग्रुप, इसके थ्रू आप मुझसे टच में रहेंगे. जो भी इश्यूज हैं, जो भी क्वेरीज हैं, वो यहाँ पर रिजॉल्व हो जाएंगी. ठीक है जी, राइट. सो गाइज दिस इज ऑल विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस सेशन. आई होप यू एंजॉयड द डिस्कशन. पेपर की बात करें तो पेपर का जो लेवल था वो दैट इज यू कैन से मॉडरेट. अगर मैं ओवरऑल बताऊं तो मॉडरेट था. कुछ सेक्शंस थोड़े से डिफिकल्ट थे, कुछ क्वेश्चन थोड़े से डिफिकल्ट थे, बट ओवरऑल आई वुड से कि एग्जाम वाज मॉडरेट. बट फेज 2 से ऐसी एक्सपेक्टेशन मत रखिएगा, फेज 2 में थोड़ा सा चीजें और डिफिकल्ट साइड होंगी. ओवरऑल पेपर वॉज मॉडरेट. कट ऑफ भी ऑन एन एवरेज बेसिस पर रहेगा, मॉडरेट ही रहेगा, बहुत ज्यादा हाई नहीं, बहुत ज्यादा लो नहीं. ठीक है, सो दिस इज ऑल गाइज. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग एंड लिसनिंग मी. दिस इज ऑल. अगर आपको कहीं भी डाउट है जस्ट लेट अस नो इन द चैट बॉक्स. चैट बॉक्स में आपकी सारी क्वेरीज हम यहाँ पर रिजॉल्व करेंगे. ठीक है, बाय बाय, टेक केयर. आई एम क्लोजिंग द सेशन.